Step into your dream homestead in North Carolina, set on 2.28 acres of serene countryside. This custom-built house offers the perfect combination of space, charm, and modern comfort, ideal for families seeking both privacy and functionality. Convenience. The vaulted living room, filled with natural light, creates an open and inviting atmosphere, seamlessly connecting to the kitchen with leathered granite countertops, barstool seating, and stainless steel appliances. A formal dining area with coffered ceilings adds a touch of elegance. The primary suite is a true private retreat, complete with dual walk-in closets, a soaking tub with tile surround, a walk-in tiled shower, dual vanity, and a water closet with pocket door. Engineered hardwood and tile floors throughout add durability and style, while an unfinished bonus room off the garage provides ample storage or future expansion possibilities. Outside, the property is a gardener's paradise with a spacious vegetable garden, chicken run, and a 25 by 25 concrete slab ready for your barn or workshop. Utilities are already in place, and a 30-amp camper hookup adds versatility for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether enjoying peaceful mornings on the porch, tending the garden, or entertaining family and friends, this North Carolina home offers a lifestyle that combines modern amenities, rustic charm, and the freedom of country living. This property is more than a house. It's a true homestead, ready for your family to create lasting memories in a beautiful, private setting.